We need urgent assistance here. The snake has the calves. They're being crushed. Oh no! Oh God, move!
The black carpenter ants move in a relentless column, a testament to the power of collective effort in the tropical sun.
What was running on? When are you gonna mow or stain?
Roger, I'm hitting exit 22 shortly. The ETA is still around 5. Over and out.
Yeah, I'm looking at the paperwork now. Wait, what the hell? Are you seeing this? No, I can't hold. I gotta go. There's a snake attacking an elephant. I'm telling you, Red, this load has to be there by midnight. I don't care about the way station. We push through.
Breaker 19 eastbound on Route 60. Looking for the bypass near the state line. Anyone got eyes on that?
How long ago did you see it?
Right over there, about 5 minutes ago. It looked injured.
Sir, you cannot move this vehicle. There is a Jaguar directly underneath.
A Jaguar? You're serious?
We are working on a tranquilizer solution now. Just keep still.
You gotta move fast. It's just off the road there, near the thicket. I saw it dragging its leg.
Right, team, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got him. Moving steady.
I've got the head secured. Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch the tail.
Watch the head. Keep it down.
Got the bag ready. Guide it in.
Almost there, almost there. Hold it.
I've got the body. Watch the coils. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Heave. It's moving. Keep going. Heave. Pull together now. Heave.
Heave. Pull, pull.
Together now. Keep the tension.
Stop.
Keep pulling. Don't let go.
Okay, I got it.
Watch out for the head. Easy now. Easy.
Okay, clear the pole now.
Got it. Lid down. Secure the latches.
Easy now, you're all right.
Keep him calm while I apply the ointment.
I have the water ready.
Easy now. Easy. We got you. You're going to be okay.
Is everything secure? How are the animals doing?
Crates are locked down tight. They're calm for now. Poles are away. Ready to roll, boss.
Frank, we couldn't have done it without you.
Happy to help. Those animals are safe now.
We really appreciate you stopping to assist, Frank. Everything seems secure now, so you should be good to go. Safe travels.
Thanks, appreciate it. Glad we could help. I really appreciate you guys coming out here so quickly.
Of course, Frank. We're just glad the animal is safe.